What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom feed on Reddit, specifically the mobile app. Now this is super helpful if you want separate feeds for depending on what mood you're in, or if you have different hobbies and you like to look through at different times. This is really good and really helpful tool. As you can see, I'm scrolling through and it's kind of tough sometimes. I want to sort through it. But if you click the icon second to the right, you'll be put at this screen, and right under the search bar, as you can see, I'm flipping through. There's an icon for custom feeds, and from there you could just create a feed and name it whatever you want. I have a couple different custom feeds, and I just name them what my hobbies are. And then from here, you could add communities to the custom feed. I'm just going to add a few random communities so you could see how it works. And then once the communities are added, you could always add more at different times. You could also choose whether to make this a private or public feed so that other people could see it. And as you can see, I just have my 3 different communities that I added in, and those are the only things that pop up. You could add different icons for the feed if you like, and then always just add some more communities or remove some whenever you'd like. If you have any questions or need help with this tutorial, please comment down below and I'll be sure to help you out. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.